Coming up on the Old Port Cove community here. We're at PGA and US 1 or Federal Highway right now. At this intersection there's lots of shops, dinings, Publix off to the side. If you would continue or basically make a U-turn and head back east, Singer Island is basically right there. So real close to the beaches, great location for boating, golf, shopping, dining, entertainment district down here on PGA Boulevard at the mall down there. Spectacular, just really great location. We're heading south now on Federal Highway or US 1. There's shopping centers there, there's Carrabba's. These are two of the new towers, or actually three of the new towers they just put up, overlooking the bay there and the intercoastal waterway, which leads right out to the Atlantic Ocean. And that's Old Port Cove there. The tan white with the dark brown. There's two towers. And we're coming up on the entrance here in a moment. And we're pulling into the main entrance to Old Port Cove. This is a guard gate facility here. This is the Old Port Cove. This is the indoor parking area. This unit has an assigned spot that's right by the door. This is the space, 169. And the inside door is right there, so it's real close to get into. That space is deeded to the unit. Hello. Oh, let me get that for you.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. It's the lobby area. And again, the lobby area. And general mail area. Laundry. And this is 603B at Admiralty. This is Old Port Cove. This unit got a full remodel about 4 years ago. It is an eastern facing unit. It looks right at the Atlantic, overlooks the yacht basin here at Old Port Cove. Got a little window glare here, but we'll get past that. There's a spectacular view out here. Master bedroom has the same view as this space. Got a nice size patio. Overlooks the marina. Yacht Harbor. A hall that goes back to the bedrooms. There's the guest bedroom. It's got 2 closets. And it's got the city and ocean and basin view. And there's a full bath off that. Hall closet for linens. And the master. The guest room is, our second bedroom is eastern, or southern facing. The master's eastern facing. So again, it's the same view that you had out the great room area there and dining. There's shutters on all the windows. Got a walk-in closet in the master. All hardwood floors in the master and guest. And porcelain tile throughout the balance. And the master bath. Master bedroom again. All the plugs, switches, baseboards, all the doors, handles, vanities in the bath, lighting, everything's been updated. It's got 6 1/4 base. And we're back to the great room area. And this is 603B at Old Port Cove in the Admiralty building. They do have dock space for rent. You got GE stove, GE microwave. Frigidaire professional dishwasher. And Frigidaire Gallery Series refrigerator. A lot of storage in the kitchen. All the units originally had full walls with just one door opening here, and then this was a solid wall. So it's all been opened up, but the ceiling was raised. And this is the machinery space here off the kitchen, hot water tank, and the air conditioner.